What is up, everybody? Today I went metal detecting in the rain. You know, don't ever trust the weatherman. It said it was supposed to be nice today, and it wasn't. And I got to the park, and it was drizzling, so I couldn't take my camera out because I didn't bring the waterproof case. But funny story about this lighter. It's a Zippo. It was about 2 inches down. I was sliding down an embankment, and I got almost to the bottom, and I heard it, because my metal detector was on, and I heard beep. I was like, whoa. So I climbed a little bit back up on the embankment, and I started swinging the machine, and I got a quarter signal. And lo and behold, I got a Zippo lighter, made in the USA. Huh, pretty cool. And I got this. I don't know what it is, but it's cute. It's a star, of course, and it's got the fake diamonds in it. But what it was for, no idea. And somebody lost their trousers. This zipper rang up in the playground as a penny, and I dug it thinking, oh, I got a penny. Wasn't even that. But I got the 2 quarters, 3 nickels, 5 dimes, and 15 pennies. Oh, and my dog is sitting there playing with a tennis ball that I found by the basketball courts. But all in all, it was a wet day. But you okay? A wet day, but not bad at all. I really enjoyed it. My pinpointer started screwing up. It was saying that it had stuff there when that wasn't even touching the ground. So I don't know. See what I can do with that thing. Well, I hope everybody's enjoying this weather. Especially if you're a duck. And I'll see you on the next.